Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Asamsumdi, come here.
Yeah.
Okay, one here, one all the way around. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and then 1.5. Okay. No effect gara-gara kopi. Karena salon fee terbatas. Nah, gara-gara corona. Kalian mau fikir $12,000 nyo cheap. Kan?
Berarti?
Yes. Ongkos ko sekitar $25. $25 tiga kau. Jadi $25 waktu retail pay lah. Wait, kita jalan. Okay, good. Okay, Roland, one and a half, okay? Nanti yang ini nangkrong di mana? Aku baca ya, $6. Nyo kacau lundo.
It's already 5 p.m. You should go home early.
What time is it? 5 o'clock?
5 p.m.
5 o'clock?
Yeah.
So just do the side first, nice. Memang dia baju tapu. Ikan ngawat je dumpu je. Ikan ngawat je. Ko. Chicken lagu boleh belok. Roland, mau jumpa. Roland,
Yes, sir.
chicken lagu boleh belok. Can you sing bungong jumpa?
I don't know what. Can you?
Ya, bungong jumpa.
Bunggong
Megah di Aceh,
Bonggang di Aceh,
bungong selebeh,
Bungo Selangnya,
selebeh,
Selangnya.
indah lagaina laut,
Again.
indah lagaina.
Inggala Ingganga.
Roland, it has to be good. Roland.
Yeah, but now we running with the time.
Hurry up, I want to go home. Good, nah good.
Mantap. Lagi tentara Thailand gitu.
Ino nak getu dia boleh guna apa? Oh, ino. Be careful this one. They have a bump here.
Yeah.
Okay. Nanti apa? Fikir roda rewe. Yang nyo COVID.
What did you say? How long it?
Salon.
1.5.
Salon. Payah pegang appointment, payah pegang janji ni kau. Menjangan tamu ni dengan kau aja, dengan berkurti kau aja. Yang kau boleh mengikut kerap mau kerja. Make sure you did good, otherwise my wife gonna kill you, Roland.
That's okay. Tomorrow you can work. Very well.
The top 1.5. Serious, Roland, serious. Don't.
I'm serious. I'm
Don't
always serious. Even if I'm sleeping, I'm serious.
What do you mean, Kang?
That's so good. Why did you buy this one? I like it.
Where's the brush? Can you clean a little bit? Okey, kaji lamanan raja-raja Samsundi. Yo kebak fikir tidurlah $12,000. Yang kelagi waliannya gara-gara corona. Ya, tapi jak kau mak kena payah tak pergi janji dia appointment. Okey. Kaji lamanan. Assalamualaikum.